Hi, I'm Alexei Ёжikov, a partner and chief development officer of Zest Leaders, an experienced consultancy and leadership development company based in the most European city of Russia, St. Petersburg, and currently serving Russia, CIS, and Vietnam. One of our most prominent partners, Miles Downey, is a worldwide known writer and speaker, trainer and coach, facilitator and consultant. And I love to spread ideas on mindful leadership for a true company growth. According to the definition of Institute for Mindful Leadership, mindful state means non-judgmental awareness here and now. The problem is that all 3 points are often misinterpreted. First of all, in real life, leaders have to make judgmental decisions or decisive judgments every day. It's impossible to be constantly aware or constantly present because our brains are wired to swing between flow state and awareness state. Finally, the here and now concept is much more flexible than just this particular location at this moment of time. Likewise, company growth is frequently misunderstood. Many people consider it in fragile metaphors of construction and engineering process. However, more organic metaphors of cultivation, gardening, nurturing work way better. In my speech, I will meticulously explain those 3 simple, clear, practical steps to mindful leadership. I will also explain why they help leaders to unleash sustainable growth potential of their companies. My approach is strongly supported by modern neurobiology, cognitive behavioral therapy and coaching, and naturally my own personal experience and observations, including more than 8 years of corporate trainings in time management and personal effectiveness, more than 7 years of speaking at biggest professional conferences in Russia and Finland, and surely more than 5 years of business consulting and executive coaching. I proudly provided programs on mindful leadership in 2 major Russian cellular operators and #1 Russian coal producer. Finally, my speaking background has a TEDx performance as well as a great honor to be a guest speaker at an open Marshall Goldsmith seminar in Moscow. I'm really looking forward to sharing my vision, my passion, and my experience with you. Thank you.